Hey guys, Jack Scalfani here, and today's the big video. I went out and bought this as soon as I heard about it. Immediately, it's everything you want in one package. Every pressure cooker I've ever bought, I fell in love with. The XL Pressure Cooker Plus, the Instant Pot, I fell in love with all of them. Well, guess what? Ninja Foodi came out. This bad boy is like if you had your Instant Pot have a baby with your air fryer. This does air frying and does dehydrating and does steaming and does pressure cooking and does everything that we're going to put it up against my Instant Pot right over there. So we're going to cook fryer chickens today. Are you guys ready for the competition? Okay, so you have the pressure release valve, the pressure lid, the reversible rack comes with it. You've got the little crisper basket. So what you do is you get rid of the pressure cooker top and use the crisper top. Today we're going to be using both. We're going to cook our chicken, then we're going to crisp our chicken. And it's probably going to come out better than the Instant Pot, but we're going to find out. This is the whole competition thing we're doing. And you get this special Ninja Foodi recipe book. I mean, just dehydrating chart right there. From what you're dehydrating to how long you should cook it to how hot you should cook it. Oh, everything's in this little booklet. I better make sure we don't lose this booklet. Okay, here on the right side, you have the contender. It is a roaster chicken inside a Ninja Foodi, which is 6.5 quarts in size. I have a cup of water in here. We're going to close it up for 15 minutes. Then we're going to change the top and use the crisper top for the last 15 minutes. Let's move over to the champ. This is the champion, Instant Pot. This is going to be cooking on high. It's got a cup of water inside, seasoned exactly like the other chicken, okay? And we're just going to cook it straight for 33 minutes. That's it. Are you guys ready? So let's get the tops on. We'll get them started. Make sure they're both sealed. Don't have them on vent. We'll have them on vent when we're done. So we're going to pressure cook, and then we're going to drop it 2 minutes, 33 minutes. We're going to turn on the Ninja, and we're going to, we don't have a temperature.
Pressure.
Where's pressure?
Right there, the first one's lit up.
We're going to do pressure on high. We're going to do that for 15 minutes. Okay, always wear a glove when you open the vent. You ready? I got some extra seasoning I'm going to brush on as soon as I open this device. Okay, before you open the pressure cooker, remember there's water in the lid. It's going to drip. Let it drip back in. Very little water. Interesting. The Instant Pot usually has more water. Now let's put this in the sink. All I can say is this chicken smells really good. All right, so let's put some seasoning and oil back on. And we're going to close it now. It has now become an air crisper. It's time to set the air crisper to 400 degrees at 15 minutes. So let's do that right now. Okay, as you can see, the Instant Pot busted open the chicken. We tried to pull the chicken out. It's falling apart. It's a total disaster. It's really tender. We were able to pull out the Ninja Foodi. It looks beautiful. We will taste both in a minute. Let's try and get the pieces out. Now, I'm not sure you want to be serving that to your public or let your public see that, your friends and family. But it is more tender than that, obviously. It's falling apart right now as we talk. This has a crispier skin. I've been taking a look at it. So we're going to let this cool for a minute, and then we're going to take a test of it all. All right, so let's give this a try. Grab a piece that has a piece of skin on it so we can taste all the seasoning too. Really good. Now I'm diving into this one here. Make sure I get a piece of skin on it too. Skin and chicken, there we go. Really good and crispy. Crispy on the outside, moist on the inside. Guys, I'm going to let you make your decision, but I'm going to tell you, you can't go wrong either way. The Instant Pot or the Ninja Foodi, I have links down below. I want to thank my wife for allowing me to buy the Ninja Foodi right away so I could review it for you before you bought it. Is it worth $229? Well, it does air frying also. So on our next episode, we're going to air fry with it. We're going to make some mozzarella sticks and some pepper poppers and some really good appetizer stuff in the air fryer. So there you go. Make your choice. I love you. Links down below. And I'll see you on the next episode. Bye-bye.